How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. For that, you have to open YouTube application and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Now tap on profile icon of YouTube at bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, you need to tap on settings icon at top right corner of the screen. On this settings page, select the general option, scroll down, and you have to toggle off the restricted mode. So this is the one way in order to remove age restriction on YouTube app. But if this button or option is not available, you have to come out from this general option and you have to come back again from the settings page and tap on Google account. Here you have to tap on the personal info, and as you can see my birthday, you have to tap on birthday and update the birthday so that it reaches to 18 years of age or 18 and above, because YouTube hides some videos if you are under 18. So you have to just update your birth date. Here, since I have my birthday which has the age of 18 or above, that's why I don't need to update my birth date. But if you don't have that, update your birth date. So doing so will also remove the age restriction on YouTube app. That's how we remove the age restriction on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.